Hi friends, are you a student out there who is looking to up your game and learn new skills, but you don't have the financial capacity to do that? Or maybe you just want to learn a skill for free? Then look no further, because in this video I will be showing you how to audit courses and get those materials and the information that you need for free using Coursera. You also want to ensure that you just need the knowledge and not the certificate. So do well to follow the steps as described in the video. Thank you. I'm on my PC right now, but if you're using your mobile phone, it's the same steps. Just follow and you'll get the same results.
Okay friends, so on your search bar you type in Coursera and you click on the results with the logo. Next, click on coursera.org, that's the official website of Coursera. Click on login, but if you don't already have an account, then you want to click on the sign up button, and boom, we are in Coursera's landing page. See how beautiful and lovely it is. Let me take you around the app. Under the My Learning section, you can see a few courses I've been able to audit with the pattern and method I'll be showing you right now. And let's say you're not interested in data science like myself, but in UI UX, so you click there and you type in UI/UX design, then you click on the okay. So here you see a list of companies, organizations and hosts that are rendering these services for students who are willing to learn. So you click on any one of your choice, but for the purpose of this video we'll use the one from Google, because Google is a globally recognized brand. And because our aim is to audit the course, we will not go for the full package for the course in full, so we go to the course in batches or in bits or in parts, and then we click on it. So having clicked on that, a 7-day free trial is available, but that is not what we'll be doing in this video. Why? Because after the 7th day the course becomes a paid course, and I know that's not what you intend to achieve. Okay, so this is the part where we get the job done. There's a small, almost invincible button that is called Audit the Course button. So you want to click on that button, and there's another very visible button, the subscribe button. Please click that too. Thank you. You're the best. Hahaha. Congratulations, you're in the course right now. Okay, and like I mentioned earlier in this video, you have access to everything, the videos, the materials, the labs and everything that is in this video, except the graded quiz and assignments. And it's not as if you can participate in them, but you just can't submit them. That's the only difference. So good luck with your learning as you enjoy your course.
Companies of all types and sizes rely on user experience designers to help make their technology easier and more enjoyable to use.
Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you found this video interesting and helpful, do well to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be updated when I drop more student tips just as this one. Good luck with your learning. See you in the next video.